Hey guys, it's LasithKArt here, back with another painting video finally. And today I'll be painting this lovely country scene near Murchison in Victoria. And today I'll be featuring a lot of the sky and less of the landscape as such. And I hope you guys really enjoy this video. Thanks. Alright, so I start off by adding some cerulean blue into the corners of the sky and working my way down towards the horizon line, getting lighter and lighter using acrylic white. And now I add a field in the distance using a golden yellow mixed by using acrylic white and cadmium yellow with a bit of cadmium red. Now I'm adding some grass on the sides of a path using a mixture of light green, relatively light green, and I finish off the cirrus clouds in the sky using acrylic white, making sure that the clouds in the foreground are larger than the clouds in the distance, and each of the cirrus clouds ends wisp off into the cerulean blue sky. Now it's important while creating the grass to use very strong highlights in the foreground compared to the background, where the tones sort of blend away into the distance. And then I add a row of trees in the distance using a mixture of dark green using cerulean blue, cadmium red and a bit of cadmium yellow. And now I add some closer trees using a lighter green base and adding stronger highlights on top of that, as less shadows are visible here. And finally I finish off by adding the branches and foliage of a tree really close to me in the foreground. And that finishes up the painting. Okay, so that brings us to the end of this video, and I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Now the name of this painting is A Windy Evening in the Country. And as always, please check out my Instagram and Google Plus at LasithKArt. And please like and subscribe. And I hope to see some of you guys in my future videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time.